Hello viewer, we are in Photoshop, so let's apply some changes there and create a design on it. Keep on editing. So let's generate the further, then make these designs as well. So we will make the designs, editing it. So for further we will have the designs in this way. Again, so we will use the shapes and specific arrangement. So there we have